Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to start earning cryptocurrency using HK bots on Telegram. This is a super easy way to earn free crypto just by completing simple tasks within Telegram. Whether you're new to Telegram bots or you've used them before, this step-by-step guide will make sure you know exactly how to get started. First, you need to find the right HK bot. HK Bots offers different options depending on the type of cryptocurrency you want to earn. For example, there are bots for Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and more. You can choose one or multiple bots based on your preference. To start, click the link in the description to access the bot. Once you're there, hit the Start button, and the bot will guide you through the process of setting up your account. After clicking Start, the bot will ask you to verify your account. This step is crucial to gain access to the earning features of the bot. Simply follow the instructions, which usually involve joining a couple of Telegram channels and clicking on a verification link. Don't worry, it's straightforward and only takes a few seconds. Once you're verified, you can start earning. Here's how it works. Every day, you can claim a small reward by simply clicking the Daily Reward button in the bot menu. It's an easy way to get some extra crypto with minimal effort. You can also earn by completing various tasks like visiting websites, joining chats, or viewing posts. Just click on the Earn Cryptocurrency option in the menu, and you'll see all the available tasks. These tasks are simple and quick to complete, and you'll earn a small amount of crypto for each one. Some bots also offer additional ways to earn, like solving CAPTCHAs or clicking short links. While these might not pay much, every bit adds up over time. Now, the exciting part, cashing out your earnings. HK bots usually offer withdrawal options through Faucet Pay or Payeer. If you're using Faucet Pay, you'll need to reach a minimum withdrawal amount, which is usually very low. Once you've accumulated enough, just go to the Withdraw section in the bot's menu and follow the instructions to transfer your crypto to your wallet. Here are some quick tips to help you maximize your earnings with HK bots. Since each bot specializes in a different cryptocurrency, you can use multiple bots at the same time to diversify your earnings. Not all Telegram bots are legit. Stick to HK bots or other trusted bots to avoid losing your time and data. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope this guide helps you start earning some extra crypto using HK bots on Telegram. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more crypto content. All the links you need are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy earning!